Okay, this is the first example that mom gave us. So before you solve it, you have to make sure that it's in the correct order, which is in descending order from biggest term to lowest term. So the biggest term is always the one with the highest exponent. So this one, in this case, it's x3 because it's cube. And then next is negative 3x squared, and then next is 9x, because it's like 3, 2, and then 1. So yeah, and then after that, that's where you put that's 27 right there, divided by x plus 3. Okay, now we can solve. So this one, I think it's called a divisor. It's always outside, so that's x plus 3, this thing, and then you put that on there, so that's x3 minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 20. Yeah, that's right. Okay, let me check. Okay, that's right. Okay, first thing you gotta do is you divide x divided by x cubed, and this is the rule that mom gave us. I mean, yeah, the rule is basically if it's like x, oh okay, let's do red ink. If it's multiplication, so if it's x times x, you have to subtract. And if it's if you need to divide it, oh shit, okay, wait, no, that's wrong. That's no, that's wrong. So if you need to multiply it, you add, so multiplication. And division, need to subtract. So here it's x divided by x cubed, so you have to subtract it, so it becomes x squared. Do you get it? Because like there's like an invisible 1 here, and 1 minus 3 is 3, yeah, it's basically 2, so it becomes x squared. And then now what you do is you multiply this and this and this. So first you multiply these two, so it goes x squared times x is x cubed, because since you multiplied it, we added, so yeah, there's an invisible 1 here, that plus 2 plus 1 is 3, so x cubed, that. And then now you multiply these two, so x squared times 3 is, that's positive 3x squared. Yeah. And then now you subtract like that. So the way you subtract is like this. So x minus x, that's 0 already. X cubed minus x cubed, that's 0. And then now you do negative 3x squared minus positive 3x squared. So the answer to that is negative 6x squared. And then you bring these two down. Like that. And then you just do it again. So, wait, let's erase this one. So you do it again. Negative 6x squared divided by x. Or is it? I think it's x divided by this. And the answer to that is negative 6x. Nawala yung squared because since you divided x squared and x, it becomes x na lang because nag-subtract ka. So it becomes x1 and you don't have to put the 1. You don't have to put the 1 naman. So yeah. Okay, next. So now you multiply negative 6x times x. That's negative 6x squared. Because since you multiplied it, nag-add yung sa exponent. So that's 6x squared. And then negative 6x times 3 is negative 18x. Now you subtract. So negative 6x squared minus negative 6x squared is 0. That's 0. And then negative 9x minus negative 18x. So basically, when you put it in a calculator, it's like this. Oh, when you type it in the calculator, it's like this: negative 9 minus negative 18. That's how you do it in a calculator. Okay. So the answer to that is 9x. Okay, once you have that, you bring your 27 down. 27. And then you basically just do it again and again until like maubos. So let's do it again. 9x and x is equals to, kapag i-divide, is equals to 9 na lang. It's 9 na lang because we lost both of the x's because it's subtracted. So the invisible one here and the invisible one here, 1 minus 1 equals 0, so there's no more x. So that's that. So now 9 times x is 9x. Bumalik na yung x. There you go. And then 9 times 3 is 27. So you put 27 here. 9 times 3, like that. Just 27. 27. And then you subtract that. It's both 0 na. 9 minus 9, 0. 27 minus 27, 0. So that's how you solve it. And then to get the answer, it's like this. If it's 0 na, if ang answer here is 0 and there's no remainder, there's no other number, it's just 0, it means you answer it like this. So that's x. You copy this. Oh no, wait, actually you copy this. So that's x3 minus 9, x minus 3, x squared plus 27 divided by x plus 3 is equals to this. X squared minus 6 plus 9. It's just like that lang. That's the answer. Okay, let's try another one.